Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle. In today's newspaper of June the 17th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. It's time now for the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with this binary puzzle. And the news of today, well, told you earlier, 254 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, in Gaza. And it's still continuing. Enough about the war. Let me start with the binary puzzle number 8735. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones. Oh wait, yeah, double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Then between two ones comes an O. 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 Well. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Well. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Come on. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones here. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Need to wait here. Ay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Double O, overlooked. Here no, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. And now, still having troubles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What's happening? Here, no, there, no. 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Well. I think time for comparing. Time for comparing. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. This can be no. This should be a 1 then. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. 3. 3 here. 3. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Yeah, time for comparing between this row and that row. Alright. 1, 1, oh, oh, empty box, 1, 1, oh, oh, 1, 1, oh, oh, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. But is this helping me? No. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1, between the 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over the 1. 2, 3, 4. Well. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Okay, now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 4. I think we need to compare again. I think. Well. Well. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If you 4 ones. O and a 1. Well, could be a double O here. This is a 1. I'm stuck again. Let me compare. Again. Double O, double 1 here. Double 1 here. No. Double 1 there. This is a hard one. It's a hard one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, there 1. Ay. Could be 1. This look like the same here. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Double 1 here. Not the same. This one. Double 1. 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, double 1. Nope. Here, double O. Nope. Cannot compare this one. How about this one? Double 1 here. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1 here. Yes. This row and that row. Look to the ones. Here we have one, the first one. Here we have a second one. Here we have a third one. And here we have a fourth one. The fifth one in this row is this one here. I cannot place the fifth one here, otherwise we will have identical rows. So this can be a 1. This should be an O then. Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Stuck again. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Can I compare this? No. Will be difficult. Double O here. Double O. Double 1. No. This row I cannot compare. How about this row then? Double 1 here. Nope. How about this row? Double 1 here. No double 1s in this. Cannot compare this one. Compare this one. Cannot compare this one. How about this one then? 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10 here? 10, 10. Double 1. Nope. Cannot compare this one. So I need to compare the columns then. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Well, O10, O10. Do we have O10 here? Well, this column and that column. Let me compare 001100 empty box 11001100 empty box. So we need to switch this box and that box. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Okay, and now these 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Overlook this double O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finished in 16 minutes. Well. A lot of troubles. This one is a tough one. 60 minutes. Wow. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. This binary. This one is a tough one. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.